Hi everyone, it's Deanna, you're watching Orchid and welcome to the Global Virtual Orchid Show 2020. And in front of us we've got Dendrobium, little green apples, a regular in my collection. She's just got two blooms that have just opened up and they are just gorgeous, glossy little flowers. It's a Latoria type Dendrobium. And you can see it's growing into quite the big plant, and even though it's just got the two blooms open at the moment, I've actually got 1, 2, 3 spikes which are about to open up, and I've also got at least 3 more spikes that I can see beginning to develop. These are very long-lasting, non-fragrant flowers. So I think there's a chance that I might have quite a few of these flowers all open at the same time. So it's going to be quite the show. Thanks for watching.